Around keyholes and on the edges of your trunk, fine scratches make your car's clear coat look shabby. With the 3M scratch removal system, you can take care of light to medium clear coat scratches yourself. Test the scratch first. Run your fingernail over it. If it doesn't catch, you can use the scratch removal system. Before treating the scratch, wash the area to get rid of dirt and grime. Gently wet sand with the gray 3000 grit abrasive square. You'll see white slurry as you sand. Every 10 seconds or so, wipe the area with a paper towel and look at the scratch from multiple angles. If the scratch is still there, keep sanding. Once the scratch looks removed, mount the purple pad on a drill. Put a dab of rubbing compound on it and buff the scratch. This step will remove the hazy area from the sanding process. Keep the drill moving and use light pressure for even results. Next, switch to the black polishing pad and use a dab of 3M scratch remover. When the paint is shiny, wipe off the excess polish with a clean microfiber cloth. A little wax will protect the area in the future. It's easy to get scratches with everyday driving, but you can easily restore shine and remove those scratches with this all-in-one kit.